Typical morning, wake up to look at the charts, see the news. Bitcoin is banned in China, all transactions are illegal. Gotta open up the Coinbase app to sell my Bitcoin. Wait a second, didn't China already ban crypto like 7 times already? That's how my morning went, and that's how it feels like every other week with new Bitcoin news. What's up everyone, my name is Sulaiman, and today I'm going to be talking about the new news where Bitcoin was declared illegal by China and how Bitcoin was down 10% in the morning. Before I get started with the video, make sure to hit the like down below, subscribe to this channel so you can be watching content like this all the time. In the morning, all I'm reading is the headlines. China declares cryptocurrency transaction illegal. Bitcoin price falls. Bitcoin sinks after China says all cryptocurrency related transactions are illegal and must be banned. Bitcoin price tumbles following Chinese ban. So of course with this kind of news, you're gonna get some sell-offs, and that's exactly what happened to Bitcoin in the morning, where it dropped from as high as $45,000 all the way down to $40,000. So this makes you wonder, is the plan really to just drop Bitcoin prices as much as possible for as long as possible so bigger investors and institutional investors can keep buying the dip? This type of news creates FUD, and it is a great way to shake off retail investors who have weak paper hands and to liquidate their investments. So then other investors like big whales and institutional investors can buy the dip and get the asset for cheap prices. Should you be worried about this news where China banned cryptocurrency? Well, first of all, this news is really old, and this actually is not the first time that China banned cryptocurrency in their country. They first banned it in 2013, and then a few years later they banned it again, and then guess what? A few years later again, which was mid 2020 of this year, there was news where China was banning all cryptocurrency and stopping miners from continuing their processes. While the Chinese market is huge and there was a lot of investors interested in cryptocurrency from that nation, this should not be an issue going forward, as all of the investors from the Chinese markets have already liquidated their assets. All of the miners are already stopping their mining for the cryptocurrencies. Why does China want to ban cryptocurrency and Bitcoin? One of the key reasons could be because they do not want another currency coming over and taking over their economic system. China has been doing really well over the past few decades with their economy, and their currency has been in demand very largely, especially since they have a lot of exports to around the world. Being the type of controlled government that the Chinese have, it wouldn't really make sense for some decentralized currency to come in and be the main source of financial monetary system for them. So the price of this news is already baked into the current crypto market. There is no need to fear of this news that has come out, because this is realistically old news. As you can see here, Old FUD, new Bitcoin price drop. Weeks old China crypto ban sparks Bitcoin price drop to $42,000. Bitcoin news of being banned in China happened weeks, if actually months ago. So this fear of current sell-off is just an overreaction. If you're an investor in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, you need to remember what your plan is, why you invested in this in the first place, and another key point is to look long term, as Bitcoin is an investment that is 5 years to 10 years, and that is when you will really be profitable. And currently cryptocurrency is just starting off. Realistically, it is in the early adoption phase, and it is also a very risky asset. So that is another reason why these sell-offs can happen on any given day in the week, in the month. When certain news which creates fear or uncertainty in an asset like this, price drops can happen very quickly. I wanted to do some technical analysis on the Bitcoin charts and other cryptocurrencies because you can see here Bitcoin dropped to $40,000 today in the early morning. It has recovered and it's at 42,800 right now, but over the past few weeks and months, that $40,000 area has really been a really solid support, and we haven't been below 40,000 in a few months now. So you can be very comfortable and confident that until that $40,000 support area breaks, your Bitcoin price is going to be hovering around. One last point that I wanted to make was that this quarter and this month for cryptocurrency in general has been historically a very poorly performing for cryptocurrency. Bitcoin does not do well in September and doesn't really do great in this quarter either, and we will be able to see what is in store for cryptocurrency in the next quarter and the next year. That's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.